Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Adspower. First, you'll need to download the Adspower application from its official website. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation, which typically takes just a few clicks. After installation, launch the application and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Adspower is designed to help you manage multiple online accounts securely by providing unique browsing environments for each. Next, let's create your first browser profile. Click the New Profile button, usually found in the upper left corner. Give your profile a clear name for easy identification. You can choose between Sun Browser, based on Chromium, or Flower Browser, based on Firefox. Remember to customize essential settings like the operating system, user agent, and screen resolution to create a unique digital fingerprint. You can also paste cookies or set a specific starting URL. Integrating a proxy is a crucial step for maintaining anonymity. In the profile settings, navigate to the proxy section and select Custom. Here, you will input your proxy details: the host, port, username, and password. Adspower supports various protocols, including HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5. Always use the Check Proxy button to confirm that your connection is working correctly before saving your profile. This ensures your online activities remain secure. With your profile set up, you can now assign specific platforms and login credentials to each. Adspower offers powerful automation tools, such as RPA robots, to streamline repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time. The synchronizer feature allows you to perform actions across several profiles at once, enhancing efficiency. For better organization, group your profiles and use tags, especially when managing dozens or even hundreds of accounts. This helps keep your workflow smooth and manageable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.